I used to think a cozy room was just a room with a blanket, a lamp, and maybe a candle. Then I moved into a space that looked perfect on paper and felt completely wrong in real life. It was clean, expensive, and silent in the worst way. The kind of silence that makes you notice your own shoulders tense up. And that was the moment I realized something important. Cozy is not decoration. Cozy is a feeling your room either creates or refuses to create. At first, I tried the obvious fixes. I bought softer pillows. I added a throw. I lowered the lights. It helped, but only for a while, because the room still felt like a showroom. That was the first clue. A cozy room is not built by adding random soft things. It is built by removing emotional distance. The room has to feel like it belongs to a human being, not a catalog. Once I understood that, everything changed. The first thing I changed was light. Not the amount alone, but the direction and quality. Overhead lighting is efficient, but it can be emotionally brutal. It flattens a room and exposes everything at once, which is great for cleaning and terrible for comfort. So I started layering light. A lamp at eye level, a warm bulb instead of a cold one, a small glow in the corner, so the room felt held instead of flooded. The surprising part was how quickly the atmosphere changed. I had not changed the furniture yet, but the room already felt safer. And safety is the hidden foundation of coziness. And I looked at texture because texture speaks to the body before the mind catches up. Smooth surfaces can feel elegant, but too many of them make a room feel emotionally distant. I added a rug that softened footsteps. I mixed in a knit blanket, a fabric chair, and a wood tray that did not shine too much. These details matter because the body reads them as comfort signals. The room starts telling you, quietly, that you can relax here. That is why some spaces feel inviting the moment you walk in. They are not louder. They're just warmer to the senses. But the biggest shift came when I learned that coziness is also about arrangement. A room can have beautiful pieces and still feel uneasy if everything is pushed away from the human scale. I moved my chair closer to the lamp. I created one corner that felt like a pause button, a place for reading, thinking, or simply not performing. That small shift gave the room a destination. Without a destination, a room is just square footage. With one, it becomes part of your daily life. There was one detail I almost missed, and it turned out to matter more than I expected. Scent and stillness. A cozy room should not assault the senses, but it should whisper to them. Fresh air first, then maybe a subtle scent that feels clean and familiar, not overwhelming. The goal is not to announce the room. The goal is to make people lower their guard. That is why the most memorable interiors often feel calm before they feel stylish. Calm is what comfort looks like from the inside.
If this content helped you, consider subscribing to the channel for more videos. If you want to support the project, you can use Super Thanks. Any amount helps keep this content alive and growing. Thank you for watching and being here.